All right, welcome back, guys. What we're doing today is on this Chinese mini excavator. One of the main handles was already missing and the other one wasn't in real good shape, and then the two little handles, just the handles, the knobs I guess you could say, for the track drives were both missing. They were like that when I got the machine. It was real hard to drive it because it just had threaded studs sticking up. So what I did is I just dug around through all my old junk out here and found, believe it or not, couple of old drill presses that I no longer are using. A big, like a full-size drill press, and then a little tiny one of them tabletop ones. And I robbed two handles off of one and two handles off the other, and welded some studs and stuff, and basically welded them onto the factory handles and made it to where, you know, they look a little better, and they're actually functional now. I'll show you. They're on the machine now, but later on in the video I'll show you how I cut them apart and welded them and all that. But I didn't really need the insulation on them, but maybe I may take it off, I don't know. But they need something on them because they're just bare steel. And also on the two track drive handles, I also kind of kicked them out a little bit, because when they're straight up and down you can barely get your hand in there to move the lever for the backfill blade. I don't always have the money, guys, to just go out and buy parts that I need. I'm lucky to buy the parts on stuff that I have to get running. So on stuff like this with these handles, sometimes it's just better to find something you got that will work, and that's exactly what I did on these handles. And I think it turned out all right. It's functional. So that being said, let's get on with the video, guys. Later. Alright, that's definitely better than the handles it had on it, and better than trailer balls. Now I can get off of this trailer without busting my butt. Alright, so there's that, guys. Got that taken care of. I got the roof off and repaired, but I'm not going to put it on there until after I get it delivered, or it's just the wind's going to tear it up again. It's just plastic. But sun's out. Hopefully it'll melt this mess off of here so things can get back to normal. And as Texans, we're not used to this kind of snow. Pretty dang deep, as you can see, and it's already settled. It was a lot deeper than this yesterday. I mean, here in the backyard where there was, look at that, that's a good 4 inches. I don't think I've ever seen it snow this much. We'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.